Governor Padilla for response or maybe some remarks. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Wen. Thank you very much, and we appreciate that you have taken out of your busy schedule in welcoming us. Thank you for your hospitality. We are actually a delegation coming from the south of Luzon. As you know, there are three major islands in the Philippines. Basically, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And our province is located in the south of Luzon, which is the Camarines Norte. I suppose that you are also familiar with our province because we are basically very proximal to Taiwan. In fact, there are some instances where some of our fishermen, when they were drifted away, we found them in Taiwan. And also, you may be interested to know that our province is one of the pioneers in propagating the Formosa, the famous Formosa pineapple. But, well, we are here in Taiwan basically to look for opportunities which we could probably cooperate between our province and of course the people of Taiwan, because as you know, our governments, Taiwan government and Philippine government, is also observing the so-called one China policy, but it will not deter us from forging people-to-people alliance or some sort of economic cooperation. So it is really very, very impressive seeing your state-of-the-art infrastructure developments, and how I wish that we could welcome you in our province. But of course, in our province now, we are looking for investments, which I hope that you know, your company is looking for some opportunities when it comes to ventures outside of Taiwan. Sure. Which I'm happy to hear that you also have business interest in Metro Manila. Well, Metro Manila is well, as a whole, the Philippines for one is a growing market, and it's getting some interest in some investors like yours. So I hope that you know, we could invite you, or we could do some, maybe we could show our video. Is there any chance that we could show the Camarines Norte so that they could have the idea? Sarah, do you have the video? We could probably
play. Maybe you can share the link after that, because the restaurant actually already make a reservation. They don't.
Okay.
They cannot wait too many, too long time.
Anyway, we could do some exchanges during the lunch.
Right.
Yeah, but again, thank you very much for your very warm hospitality, which will be accorded with very high state. We hope that, you know, this will be a good start between your company and our local government. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Governor, for wonderful remarks. Actually, we appreciate your visit, and hopefully, maybe in the near future, we can go over there, start our ventures, and also we're looking forward to cooperation with your province and also your people over there. So before ending this presentation, I'd like to present our souvenir to you.